guys, good morning. How are you all doing? Okay, today is Saturday and I'm all free, so I thought, why not do something interesting? And I've been thinking about going to IKEA from a very, very long time. So today is the day. But what I did is I parked my two-wheeler in the metro parking lot, and now I'll be traveling by metro because it's too hot. I will not be able to drive or ride, so it's the best thing. So here I'm entering the metro station at Sandal Soap Factory. I'll go by lift. Okay guys, so I have collected my token. I don't know what is it called. This coin kind of thing. I'm so sorry, I'm acting a little amateur because I hardly travel by metro, and this would be my second time in Namma Metro in Bengaluru. So I'm very sorry. Apologies if I'm acting a little amateur, but because I am one. So here I collected the ticket counter and I'm gonna go ahead to this place at counter at the platform number 1 and go to Nag Sandra IKEA. Okay guys, so I am at the Nagasandra station and I can see IKEA right there. Okay, I am gonna show you more. Okay, so can you all see IKEA there? Okay, so the thing is, it's so convenient to come by metro. Park your bike at any metro station from wherever you want to board the metro, and I boarded from Sandal Soap Factory, that is in Rajajinagar opposite to Orion Mall. So now I'm heading towards the exit, then I'll show you more. Okay, so I finally exited the metro. It's a bit confusing because there are no proper exit board put, or maybe I'm confused. Okay guys, so here I am, exited the metro, and the best part is from metro itself you can actually enter the IKEA entrance, and I'll show you exactly where. Metro is so convenient that I can't tell you. I'm a little panting at this moment because I'm damn tired. I climbed the stairs. I didn't even see that there was escalator right beside. How dumb of me. Okay, no problem. So I'm here. I'll show you. This is the exit, and so here is IKEA, and right there is the entrance. So here we go. I have to wear my mask because everybody's looking at me and I can't do that. I'll show you what it says. It's welcoming us in Swedish language. There it is. It says "Välkommen till IKEA Nagsandra." Welcome to IKEA Nagsandra in Swedish, right? So here we go to the level 1 entrance. It's super convenient, guys. I think I've been to the IKEA US when I was in San Francisco. Then I went to IKEA Hyderabad. Not as convenient as this. The metro is right here, and you can just get on there, come to the entrance, and walk through the pathway to go to the level 1 entrance. So convenient, isn't it? So you all have to come to IKEA because Bangalore IKEA is super convenient. Okay people, so I entered from here. Here is the entrance. This is not like the main floor as such. I think you have to take the escalator. However, I'm taking my shopping cart which says IKEA. I want to keep my bottle, I want to keep my jacket, everything. And in case, so basically my intention today is not to really shop. I wanted to see what is there in the entire store in India. I'm sweating. Entire store in India I want to see what you really have, so that I can plan on buying something in the future, right? And when I say future, it's not the long future, it's the near future. I'm gonna come here and buy something. Okay, so let us see. If in case I like something today, I will still buy. I'm not a shopper as such, but then for me, my main intent today to come over here is to see what's available. So, yeah. Okay, so another reason why I'm here is basically to try out their cafe. I love Swedish food because when I traveled to US and Hyderabad, I was able to eat their Swedish cuisine with rice and corn and etc etc. So I hope that we're gonna find the same thing out here as well in Bengaluru IKEA. So let's go ahead, I'm gonna show you more and stay tuned. Okay guys, I'm at level 2. Level 1 doesn't have anything much. I think there's just exchange and billing counters and some bistro down there. So you have to come on the level 2 for you to access the entire furnishing. That's from your living area, living room, your kitchen area, your exteriors, anything and everything, and your room as well, right? So all that is out here and on level 2, and also your dressing tables, chests of drawers, etc etc. There's so much, right, that you can check on. Okay, so I'm here. I just want to like show you guys around what is there. There's a lot. I'm still at the first floor, I mean still at the second level, and there's a lot more to go. I'm already hungry, so I want to go try their cafe for Swedish food. Guys, I am done with level 1. There is below this there's another level. So there is so this floor was only about furnishing, as I told you, and the ground floor below, I ran out of my phone memory. So I was telling about the lower floor where you get crockeries and lightings and stuff. Below which is the billing counter. So I think that's it. Like you have 2 levels, and below which is another level. So all put together 3 levels. So now I am kind of hungry. So I am at the cafeteria that I was talking to you about, the Swedish dishes that I have tried in the US and Hyderabad, and I can see the same stuff here. Obviously they want to maintain their own signature dishes. So I'm going to show you the cafeteria side and then show you the food that I'm going to eat. Okay guys, so here I am at the restaurant's entrance. So this is salmon, and this is the dish that I'm talking about. This is something that I really like, the chicken meatballs. It's pure Swedish, and even this one, this is the one. Can you all see that? And then this is salmon and some veggies and some crispy potatoes at the side, and these are your drinks. So let me go ahead and check what is in store. here is the queue. You have to stand over here and then collect a carrier and a tray like this. And then go in the line and pick up what you want. And at the end, you will have to bill it at this place. Okay, I am taking this trolley. And with this trolley, you gotta add a tray. Okay, so I'm picking this tray here, placing it here. It's called hedge. Hedge in Swedish is called hi or hello. I think I would only require one. So there are these counters. Whatever you want, you can pick it up. Okay guys, so I have ordered for my meal and here it is. Okay guys, so I'm here with the plate of my favorite meal and I hope you guys enjoyed it. I'm going to show you how beautiful it looks. This one, the Sweden flag as well. This is how beautiful it looks. I'm hungry, I'm starving.